Hey guys, I'm at Dollar Tree. Yes, on all the Valentine's Day balloons rocking. So now I think I want to get this. My Valentine's has 4 paws, front and back. That is adorable. In the cart. And I think I want this one now too. I'm a mess. In the cart. Darn, this would have been really cute too if it were a football, especially right about now, right? I mean, I love the baseball too, but yes, on the football. Darn. Oh my goodness. I was putting this back. And there's the football. Oh my gosh. Yes. In the cart. Oh wait, let me put this back. Oh my goodness. That's so funny. In the cart again. Oh nice. I haven't seen the match yet. Oh, these are 5. From the plus section. There was nothing in the plus section really that we didn't already see. These are up front. I thought they were $125, but they pretty thick on that. So that's definitely 5. Happy Easter, Easter blessings. Yeah, just those 2 are up here. I'm lying, Miss Girl. Welcome. Inside, we're all the same. Oh, that's funny. That's super cute. I feel like I remember that from last year. What's that say? Welcome, peeps, I think. This is heavy. You know what I don't see in the mix over here with all the steamers and the bath bombs? I don't see any of the princesses. Wow. Yes. Kermie. Oh, that's cute. The Muppets are moving from Hollywood Studios. You know that little area back there? So, yeah. Oh, and look, I was going to say they're moving to, over by Rock and Roller Coaster. And I saw the guitar. That is funny. So, yeah, I feel like we good to go. I think, I think we've seen everything for the most part, which is crazy. Oh, here we go with that Global Beauty Care, the Lift and Firm Eye Cream with the collagen and peptides. I haven't seen this since I grabbed it a few Dollar Trees ago. Wow. So they have plenty of them here. I was going to say this particular store hardly ever gets any new makeup, and then I just saw these. So the Mariposa, right? I feel like this is the first time I've seen them since the first time I saw them. So remember, it was like 10 different packages. They all had, I don't think there are 2 here that's the same. No. And then I grabbed one for you and one for me. So that was rocking. But Miss Girl, remember I was like Ari Posa? Hubby was like, what's wrong with you? You see the butterfly? It was a whole thing. Oh my goodness. So yes, on that they have them here. It's only 5 here. Oh, Almay is rocking on the Goddess lip gloss. I feel like we saw these a long while back, right? All these different colors. This one right here, that's kind of pretty. Yeah, it's just those 2. Oh wow, that was really quick and fast. I'm at the end. I'm gonna just grab the football and the wine glass, and yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye. Hey guys, I'm at Dollar Tree. Yes, on the spring collection, they are still rocking. It's a whole thing of mugs. Wow. So yeah, the lemons. Yeah, we saw these last time. So pretty. I forgot. I didn't get any Valentine's Day cards. Let me take a minute. Oh, get out of here. Sugar Churro. This is probably the only one I haven't seen. That is so funny. All this time. Oh my goodness. So yes, on that. That is so sweet smelling. Wow. It kind of gave off a little bit of chocolate to me, I feel like. But yeah, that's rocking. Every time I see these, first of all, we are fully stocked. Are they all the same? Right? Whenever I look at these, I instantly think of like my beach bag or something. Like I need to throw these in there. That's funny. Yes, on the Freeman, right? All of that good is rocking. And remember I picked up this turmeric exfoliating facial scrub by Global Beauty Care. So I used it a few times already. I like it. It's definitely exfoliating, so just, kind of be gentle with it. I did moisturize afterwards. My face was it felt, you can tell that I exfoliated, if that makes sense. So, but yes on that, I like it. Oh, I don't think I've ever seen this. With the bubbly rocking, the rosé, which is the revitalizing, and the cherry merlot, which is the soothing. So they have the 2-pack of the sheet mask. Oh, yes on that. In the cart. Oh, yeah, I knew it was another one. I just couldn't figure out what it was. So the Brazilian mist, right? The soft floral is rocking. Yeah, like I really do think of the beach bag. And then they rocking, the power stick for the men. Yes, we did pick these up. The lip glosses. Oh, yeah, here they go right here, the wipes. I love them. I use them. I'm actually almost out. So, yeah, I use my Neutrogena. I go in first on that. And then I kind of calm it down, right, with the Cherry Merlot. And do a little renew with the rosé. So, I'll either use this one or this one. But yes on that. Oh, my goodness. On the end cap, all these lips. Rockin'. Get out of here. The packaging is fire. Look at this bright red right here. So I see bright red, I see mauve. Didn't we see some good with these colors? I don't remember what it was now. So yeah, the crystal clear. I need lip gloss on right now. Which one am I going to get? Pinky nude. What did I miss? Oh, I saw the mauve, right? Oh, I see light nude up here rocking. Get out of here. Let me decide. Did I see this one? What's this one say? Oh, light pink. Let me see what I want. I'm going to grab all 5. The light nude, the mauve, the pinky nude, the light pink, right? And then that clear back there is rocking. Because the girls have been dipping into the glosses, which I love. So, yes, in the cart. Oh, look at these. Beauty Intuition, a nail polish, high shine, glossy finish. Isn't that packaging so pretty? That is pretty with that ball up top. So this is baby pink. This is white. This is pretty pink right here rocking. Oh, and here's a medium brown. That is pretty. That's so pretty. I mean, I do my nails. I'm always wearing nails, so I wouldn't benefit too much, but I'm still gonna pick one up. The girls may want to rock. So, in the cart. So quick in the plus section before I head out is a couple things I haven't seen. The bunny in the carrot card. That is funny. That's actually really cute. That's for $5. And on the bike, right? I think I like this one. I like them both though. This one because of the big carrot, but this one because it's more neutral, right? So, yeah, yes on that. I almost dropped it with the carrots rocking in the back. That's actually funny. Yeah, I really like this one. I keep twirling it because I'm debating. Yes on this. We saw this. And then this one. Oh, how cute is that with the whole gingham print? Oh, the eggs popped out. Let me throw those back. Yeah, these are adorable. I love them. The table runners, right, which are fire. We did see those. The baskets, right? I see Elmo rocking. And the 2-tier trays are down there too for $5. These are so pretty. I think I do have some from last year. I don't think I need any more. Okay, so I grabbed the nail polish. I'm gonna give one to you. I grabbed all of these lip glosses, which are fire. And we're gonna share that, me and you and the girls, right? I grabbed the mask, right? One for me, one for you. And I grabbed some Valentine's Day cards. So, yes. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye. Oh, they have the lipsticks up here at checkout. Mariposa. Yes. All right, bye.